I want all of you to consider hosting us at your city council. I know I see Jim Brady back there. Mayor and I are going to be coming to Shaker Heights. We're going to be meeting with your council. And Al, we're going to be coming to talk to you on a one-on-one level. There's going to be, Nicole asked a very good question. There's going to be small focus groups with your finance directors, your economic development directors of all of your cities. There will be an invitation going out to host them. Encourage your city's economic development director and your finance directors to understand and get involved. There's many subcommittees we want you to be a part of. Again, for more information, go to our city, to the website. You can get a ton of information there. And again, Mayor, thank you so much for being part of this. Carrie, thank you as well. Okay, just a couple announcements before we adjourn our meeting. You know, this is the Northeast Ohio City Council Association. We have 4 quarterly forums. Sometimes we also hold workshops during the year. And our next forum is going to be in February of 2010. This will be my last meeting presiding over the chair of this organization. It's been my privilege and honor, and I will tell you, Mayor Kern, when you think about what you're trying to do with RPI for our newer members, this organization was founded 20 years ago, and it was called the Greater Cleveland Suburb Council Association. All of the suburbs of the Cuyahoga County were a member, but there was one city that wasn't a member, and that was the city of Cleveland. And to see how far this organization has come and to admit Cleveland into membership in 2002, and now to think in 2009 you actually have a member of the city of Cleveland who's actually the chair of this organization, shows that how far this organization has come. Us council people aren't as parochial as some of you mayors may think. We like to play in the sandbox, and we play nice and we play well. But we do like to represent the communities that we represent. So again, February is going to be our next annual meeting. We are looking right now to reform and reconstitute our board. There's a slate of members. Al Foster is chairing up our new nominating committee. If anyone is interested in serving in a board capacity, we have 12 board members. We have 4 who serve on the executive board, 4 who serve in an at-large position, and 4 who serve on the nominating board. See Al Foster if you have an interest in serving this organization. It's wonderful professional development. I'd encourage you to consider becoming more involved than just the 4 quarterly forums. Also, dues for our organization are just a modest $400 a year. That's it. And some of you are new to our organization, so encourage your council presidents and your mayors and your finance directors to make sure when you start planning your 2010 budget to include just $400 to become part of this organization, because the return on your investment is going to be tremendous. And then lastly, Al, announcement?
Yes, Matt, maybe you should explain how that is required $400 per person.
Sure. Good question. So for your dues, $400, that means your entire city council is a member in good standing for the entire year. We have 4 meetings. 2 of them are dinner meetings where we serve a full dinner. 2 of them are business sessions where we'll have refreshment, punch, cookies, desserts, whatever. But you always get a very good form, something that you can bring back to your city and report back to your council on how you can improve what you're doing in your community. So I want to thank all of you for joining us. Look in your mailboxes for your notice about renewing our organization. And I want to thank all of you for joining. If anyone has any questions, if I could, please, my officers, raise your hand. All my board members. Talk to any one of those individual members, and we'd love to have you become more a part of our organization. Linda Cross is our executive assistant. Linda, any announcements before we adjourn? We have an organizational website. It's NOCCA Association, NOCCAOSSC.org. Is that right, Tanita? Did I get that right? You can Google it. I want to thank you, and this meeting is adjourned.